Oh. Turtle will stop putting his paddle in my crotch. That'd be great.
It's not me. It's the water.
Splat with my butt. Oh shoot, there's a rock there. There's a big rock right there too. Made it out. Oh no, you guys are pointing too high. Watch my party legs go back into the kayak. Party legs, indeed. This is a little more exciting than Flint Creek. I love Flint Creek. Okay, I think Turtle wants to go gar fishing. I don't know if you heard that or not, folks. But I think we're going gar fishing. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go fishing. If gar happen to be part of it, they're part of it. Turtle found a rock. Off to a good start. Oh no, what happened? Stop. No. All right, I literally just magic tricked all of that and... Son of a crap. What did I... How did I don't know how that even happened. This wonderful knot that I put at the end of my fishing pole. Okay, we're unknotted probably. Nope. What magic? Okay, cool. I put a knot in my string. That doesn't ruin the integrity of it, right? I mean, line, not string. I ain't no newbie. I know how to say this. You got one on you? See what he pulls out? A little baby bass? Hey, man. That's a fish, man. Ooh, this water tastes nasty. I can tell you that much. Gross. Get off me. Go have sex over there. I said go have sex over there. Will is the name of that dragonfly. Probably help if I had my drag set properly. Hey, hey, look at me. Oh, don't hit Turtle. It baffles me how long ago we used to go like canoeing down this. That definitely helped our friendship, I bet. Yo, Turtle. That was a 2 pound, pound and a half bass. Okay, I'll try. I do have the camera, which means I might get it. I keep wrapping around my fishing line, I won't. What the hellscape happened there? See if we can get him, folks. Oh, I got me a brim following. Where'd he come from? Oh, I got wedged. Oh, I got unwedged? What? All right, ladies and gents, let's see if we can find that big old boy. Yeah, that big boy's not happening, but that was a pretty fish. Let's get going. Oh, snap. I've got the attention of a gar. Oh, man, he was biggin. Yo, that guy is huge. If you don't pull something out of here, we both suck. Fish on. Yeah. Ooh, feels like a decent brim. He is a decent brim. Look at this little cute fart knocker. No, he's close to it though. Yo, my dude, calm down. I'm about to let you go. Hey, thanks for being my first fish today. What? Hey man, it's true. Now I'm not skunked today, so I'm happy about it. Well, that was absolutely the smartest thing I could have done. Hook my other pole and then my other line. Hey, I remember that. Huh? I remember that. I think we're just better off turning around today. That turtle goes backwards down the rapids. Yeah, I'm pretty much like when you go down that and immediately turn back around. I'm not up for that part at least. If it was a day where we had time where we could do this, I'd do it. Yep, pulling a turtle. Just stick your feet out and relax. Something, please grab my attractive lure. Be great if you did. So the only thing I got was a brim today. I've caught nothing. That doesn't count. Yeah, bluegill doesn't count. Ooh. Oh, turtle.
Hell yeah.
What do you think this is?
I don't know. Hey, baby.
No, don't hey baby anybody. Get off the phone. I need assistance.
Give me 1 second. Michael's got a decent fish. I gotta go fishing now.
Oh, sheesh.
We're on our way there.
Yes, we are. Hey, Harley. Ah, surface, please. Please surface. I just want to know what you is. You're not happy with me? Oh, you were so not happy with me. What is you? Oh, dude. Dude. Oh, dude. Oh, no. Loosen my line up. I'm gonna loosen my line up. Here. Don't hold it. Alright, go. This guy is huge. Alright, coming to you. No, he not. Yeah, he is. No, he not.
I just saw him.
He's massive. This looks like a stripe.
Yeah, it does. This water's way too damn shallow for saltwater stripe. Hybrid stripe, no, but saltwater, yeah.
Hold up. I'm gonna try to bring him back up. He's under me. Oh man, this is a heck of a fight though.
Yeah, it is. 26-pound line.
I have it very not tight on purpose. Oh, he's up to the surface. He's up to the surface, right beside you. Get him.
Oh, that's either. It's carp.
He is tired.
Yes, he is.
Did I snag him?
No.
Holy crap, that's another species on my list.
And he's.
He had a fly hook on him.
Yeah.
Who the heck is flying out here aside from us? Oh man. You put that back in your... I don't need that. Put it in your yak. What I need is in his mouth. Man. Oh, hey, that'll probably help. I don't know how much of that battle you guys just saw with this thing, but... What do you think that guy is?
He's a carp.
No, I mean like weight-wise. He's a carp flop.
Oh. He's big enough for putting him on the string. And we're taking him and we're going to weigh him.
How about we just go back now?
Yeah.
We just show him up in your live well or in the back of your live well.
I got a stringer.
Oh, you got a stringer?
Yeah. Let's just keep. I'm about to just cut.
Go ahead and cut the line. You can't get it.
At the moment, probably not.
Man.
I'm not.
Species number whatever the heck I have now.
Dude.
Yeah, just don't worry about losing them. Please don't lose them.
I got him.
Man. Those guys put up a decent little fight though.
Yeah.
Every big fish I've brought in has been on my freaking crappie line.
Even your 5-pound bass?
Yeah. This pole, this setup.
Maybe you should just throw some crappie fish.
Man, that is a chunkster of a fish.
No, you're not going back in before I get this side off.
Any more fishing, or are we done?
I believe we're done.
All right, let's get out of here then. Whew. That is not a solid surface to put my foot on right now. You still kicking? This is a good way to bust my butt. Yeah. Like I said, good way to bust my butt. Let's load ourselves back up and go forward, not backwards. We came this way on purpose. Fishing pole up my bum is not my favorite. Like I do have that blessed bowfin. I don't give a flying damn what your idea of I brought it in. I would have landed it if I wasn't a sissy, but I had him under control for a while. Ooh, here comes a bird. Goodbye, bird. It's a kingfisher. That thing is so cool. This is plaster on the side of your kayak, sponsored by Dr. Pepper in Copenhagen. Let's weigh up our boy. It's a pretty junky fish, man. Oh, by the way, that's how much he weighed, folks. Thanks for joining my heartbeats up because I had to carry these things and I'm weak. Okay, bye.